freedom from British rule on this day in 1947. Independence Day is the national festival of India. We celebrate great joy and respect across our country. Millions of people came together and took part in the uh, precious gift from freedom. Today, I pay my tribute to our great freedom fighters and leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mangal Pandey, along with many others who sacrificed everything to our country. On this day, the national flag is hosted, parades are held, cultural programs are organized across our independence, showing of our unity in diversity. Independence Day is progressing rapidly in many fields like technology, education, sports, and science, which would not have been possible without independence. But friends, Independence Day is not only remembering the past; it is also building in future. We are the future of India. It is our duty to work hard, stay responsible, and contribute to the development and progress to our nation. Let us all take a place today to do our make and best our country stronger, better, and proud. Thank you. Jai